Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you that I can fold this origami domino in under a minute. Yep, this is the origami 1 minute domino. You guys have probably folded already and you're watching this video right now. If you guys haven't if you guys haven't even seen this tutorial, then I have no idea how you got here. But you should have clicked up here to get to this video. But anyway, this is me folding it in under a minute. I've got my stopwatch right here and my paper right here. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. There we go. 56 seconds. I told you I can fold it in under a minute. This is the origami 1 minute domino. If you forgot how to fold it, then click up here. But anyway, whatever. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.